Hi, this is Miranda for My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Christmas Memories YouTube Inspirational Hop 2021, 12 Days of Inspiration. And today's is a cup of cheer. So I found this Pinterest board. It's on my Pinterest board and I'll link it down below. And that was the sketch. And who it is from is, it looks like magpies, but that's the thing is that it looks like it's like Hey Little Maggie Pie, but that's who it looks like that did it, but I don't know. Let me see if it's got a name. It looks like Philippe, I think. Anyway, that is a sketch that I do. So I go to Pinterest a lot to get a lot of my inspiration. I have a huge Pinterest board and my Pinterest is linked down below if you are interested on following. I do upload my sketch or like my layouts every 2 to 3 months. I go in there and I get a lot in there. Like I upload a lot because it doesn't take that much time, but it takes a lot when I've got to copy and paste a lot of this stuff and type in everything that needs to be in there. So I do it every 2 to 3 months. I dump in there, and then at the end of the year, I finish out all of the dumping so that each year it is updated with all of my layouts that I've done for each year. So what I did is that I took out the new Vicki Boutin collection. And wanted to follow the same style of what she has in her layout. Now, she uses white paper in the background, and I just decided to find this one with the poinsettias because I think it fits perfectly for what I am achieving and wanting to do on this. So to make her, her papers are very muted, and that's the one thing I do like about Vicki Boutin is hers is very matted or muted. They're not always bright, and that makes it so much easier for me. But then her embellishments are white. So to keep the achievement of what I wanted, what I am doing here is I took my distress ink that is called Antique Linen, and I just dabbed it to get that white, not so crisp, and made it more a muted brownish color like the rest of the products are in her collection. So what I'm doing is exactly like what she did in the layout, and I'm just stringing things right along to my photo. Now I am going to tear certain papers, and then you're going to see me frustrated because I did not realize for whatever reason I flipped my paper around. So I had to take off all of that glue, which luckily enough the glue that I have for my ATG gun, see right here, I put it on the wrong side and I didn't realize it until about when I realized that this paper was upside down, and then I'm like, wait a minute, that's not right. And you'll see it. I was so mad at myself because that piece needed to be on top. Here it is. This is where I noticed it. So I got off and I took off all the glue. Like I wasn't going to leave that in. That's just ridiculous. And so here I am. I'm placing all the rest of this on, and then I got it in the right spot. I was so dang mad at myself. But I'm going to cut off everything and then pretty much just finish embellishing this layout. Now, what I did is that the two photos, a cup of cheer, like I said yesterday in my video, I for some reason took a ton of photos of like what I drank for the day or the cup maybe, I don't know. But here is at least 2 of the photos that I took. There was this little rink-a-dink little tree that was in my Starbucks where I go to work at. So as you guys know, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do upload normally between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations and all of that stuff. I am trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. So I would love to have you guys as a subscriber because I would love to give that away in January. But all of my affiliate links and everything is down below. But what I was trying to say is that at Starbucks, where I work at, the Starbucks is inside the store. So I do work 2 jobs. I am a retail account manager for the exchange here where I live at on Fort Gordon, and then I'm also a full-time teacher, and then I do all the things. So I, for some reason, took multiple pictures, but I made sure that I took 2 different pictures of my cups because Starbucks always has different ones, and I'm a huge Starbucks fanatic. So here I am. Like I said, I took it to make it so that it's a little bit more distressed, so that it's not so crispy white. And so all I'm going to do is embellishment down on the bottom like she did as well. You know, the funny thing is that all these people have like these cute pom-pom strings, and I don't have any of that, and it's making me want to get into that stash. But I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that, but it keeps wanting me to. So maybe sooner or later you'll start to see me do that, or get some of that. Right now, just because we're in the process of buying our house and everything, that I need to make sure that I'm not transferring too much stuff from this house to our new house or forever home house. So I'm just finishing up the layout. So make sure that you go check out everybody. Everybody will be linked down below. We do upload daily. I do have it set kind of where we all kind of upload by 6:30 in the morning every day, but I'm a very easy collaborator, so if somebody can't get it up right away, I'm not like, okay, whatever. As long as it's up and you guys, and it's there for you guys as inspiration throughout December. And here I am. I'm going to do cozy cheer because, it's like a cup of cheer. So, this one is a loosely inspiration. It could be just about anything that you could put down for this. But I decided to do like cozy cheer, and my little saying there is favorite things. And coffee is definitely one of my favorite things. And the new one that Starbucks has, the sugar cookie one, oh my gosh, that one's really good. It's nice and light. If you guys are in for a treat at Starbucks and not want something so heavy like a peppermint mocha or something, because that's like my go-to. I always do a white peppermint mocha during the summertime if I do get coffee, if it's not nitros. Because both of the Starbucks that are on post here has nitros, and I'm excited for that. So here I am. I decided to do up just a little bit of a saying here by this cup, and it says, I love to make memories, or I love to spread memories, something like that, because I do. I love to do this collaboration, and I've thought that that's fitting during December. And then that is about it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I'm super close. Make sure you go check everybody else. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.